sometimes not all fonts will curve or arch correctly, so let's look at 5 that I have for you that are perfect for distorting or curving for your next creative project. First up is Sunnydrop, which is a retro-inspired bubble-style font that is one of the perfect fonts for using warping effects due to the rounded shape of letters, which, as you can see, makes a perfect curve effect when you apply a curved or warped effect to your entire word. Next, we have Celino, which is another retro-inspired font, but with the addition of serifs, and that gives us a different aesthetic and style. But as you can see in these examples, the serifs follow the curved path perfectly without any wonky spacing or edging that you might see in another font. Following suit, we have Sundays, another retro-esque font with serifs, but you can already notice a major rounded motif to these letters that of course fit that 60s and 70s style. And once curved or warped on a path, the effect almost emphasizes the curvature of the individual letters. Next, we have Spicy Rice, a playful, thicker font with curved serifs and edges that make this a go-to font for using warped, arched, or angled and slanted transformations. Perfect for t-shirt designs, inspirational quotes, stickers, mugs, as well as other art and print-on-demand products. Lastly, we have Calf, a thick sans serif font, and the roundness of the letters, particularly at the tops and bottoms, make this an ideal font for curving, distorting, warping, or arching in a variety of different ways, especially for when you want to distort type inside of a silhouette for different posters or graphics. Now, if you want immediate access to these fonts, go ahead and sign up for Kittl using the link down in the description, and you will instantly be able to use those fonts as well as the transformations that just take one click to do. And if there are any font or text effect tutorials you want to see, let me know down in the comments, and then don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos.